What's up everyone? Welcome back. Just a quick video today doing the rock to fakie. I'm not against doing any video or on any trick, whether it be, something super hard or super easy. I think a video can always be made and help somebody. So I think we take rock to fakies for granted. It makes skating parks a lot easier, or just, it makes skating quarter pipes a lot easier. And it's like the king of all the basic lip tricks you can think of here. It's just, those are your training wheels right there, learning how to rock to fakie until you get into more advanced stuff. So make sure you know how to roll up and down a quarter pipe to fakie before trying this one out. Start small, start low. That's my advice for just about any trick, starting on a small obstacle, low and slow. So work your way up, but you want to make sure that when approaching the rock to fakie, you got your back foot on the tail, not towards the bolts, but more so on the tail, so that once you're done with the rock, you can actually lift up and press down on that tail so that you don't hang up on the front truck. And that's pretty much the only concern with the rock to fakie. You don't want to hang up on the truck or slip out and lose your balance. That's if your weight's off, but it's pretty straightforward. Other than that, you want to make sure you have your foot on a nice solid position on the tail. And I get that when you're first starting this trick, you want to start small and do like a little baby rock, but just make sure that when you're doing it, your truck isn't touching the actual coping, because then that's also going to set you up for locking your truck or your kingpin on the coping and just flying to flat, and that is not pretty. So super basic trick and something to branch off on and to learn more on. So that's the rock to fakie right there. I haven't done too many transition tricks or lip tricks, so comment down below if you want me to start covering more advanced lip tricks. See you guys next time.